how are you? It's Vaishali, me Varsha, to bring you cute little ideas. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel,
Please subscribe now.
and don't forget to
Hit the notification button.
let's get started.
Today we are going to see what interesting can be done with eggshells. For this I have washed and dried few eggshells. Number 1. We are going to make a cute little bunny. Take the eggshell and color it with any light color acrylic paint. Then take a pipe cleaner, bend it to make ears and legs for the bunny, and stick them using hot glue gun. Now take two googly eyes and stick them on the face. Draw mouth and bunny teeth using a sketch pen. For teeth I have used whitener. Now bunny is ready. Number 2. We are now going to make a pretty bird. Color the eggshell with a bright color. Take similar color feathers and stick them to both sides and on top using a glue gun. Like this. I have stuck a stone too. Then draw eyes and beak using a sketch pen. The bird is ready. Number 3. Next is a yummy red strawberry. Paint the egg red. Take a foam sheet and cut a leaf out of it. Stick it to the top of the egg. Paint half of a toothpick green and insert it like this. Then make black dots all over. Here's the juicy red strawberry. Number 4.
So now we are going to make a small pom-pom. For this, we need woolen thread.
And a fork. Wind the woolen thread around the fork like this. The more you wind, fluffier will be the pom-pom. Cut the thread. Take a small piece of thread and tie it in between. Like this and knot it. Cut the excess thread. Remove it from the fork. Take one more piece of thread to make it tighter. Then take the scissors and pass it into the loops and cut them little by little. trim the threads to make it uniform. Pom-pom is ready. Break the eggshell like this. You can insert a piece of sponge to fill the space partly. I have stuck 2 googly eyes to the pom-pom. Insert it into the shell.
Oh my god, the little chick is peeping out of the egg. How cute!
Number 5. Let's make a yellow little hen. Paint the egg. Take 6 pista shells and paint them yellow and the 7th one red. Stick the yellow ones for the wings and the red one for the beak. Also a piece of pipe cleaner on the head. Draw eyes. That's it.
Someone's at the door.
Can we also have some makeover?
Oh, sure, but next time.